Hi, my name's Liz, and I wanted to share with you my unboxing of the Darn Good uh, Yarn Club of the Month box for January 2025. This is my first box. I did pay for this myself, and if you go on their website, there should be a code to get your first box for a discount. So I highly suggest, if you're interested, doing that and see how you like it. So this is mine. When you open it up, you'll see that it's got some really pretty yarn in there. And let's see, so you get, there's the yarn. You get 3 hanks of yarn. It's rated 4 worsted weight. 50 grams or 75 yards, so 225 yards total yardage with the 3 skeins. It's recycled silk yarn, and they're doing a goddess series, so this is the first in the series, and it's the Athena yarn. And your subscription helps not just pay for the box and for the women who work recycling the yarn. They also work with local schools, it says, to make sure they have the proper tools and supplies to provide an education for our children in India. So that is awesome. So there's that. Then you always get like a free notions or something like that. And I got a pair of cute little scissors. It looks like stork or scissors. And then you get their book. And the book comes with both crochet and knit patterns. And let's see here. The pattern they have is for owl cable fingerless mitts. Let me see if they have a really good picture, because the picture I see isn't really helpful here. But that's the picture that they have. And it's definitely a different yarn. And it says this one is a advanced skill for crochet and for knit. And then they have a easy skill, but they don't show a picture of it. And it's for a, let's see here. Where is it? It is for a pet bandana, and it's rated 2 out of 4 stars. And that is both knit and crochet. My issue with that is that I am not a intermediate or advanced. I'm more beginner plus, and I really don't want to make a pet bandana with this. So I might look into making a headband or a Sophie scarf. This is a scarf that just ties around really easy. And there's some free patterns online for those. I'm not promoting any specific pattern. But the yarn itself feels to me definitely recycled. It's soft, but I don't know. It's just, it's not yarn that I would normally buy for myself. So I probably won't continue with this series if that's what they're doing at this point. Also, the box normally is around $25, but they charge for shipping too. So for me, it comes out to about $35 a month. And for $35, for 3 hanks of yarn and a pattern, basically, I can buy higher quality yarn for that, you know, and I can even go to Joann's or Michael's or someplace and buy, or Hobby, or buy some yarn that is not high end, but I would get more for my money. So chances are I'm probably not going to continue with this subscription, although I do think it's a fun subscription in the sense that you know, you get your yarn, you get your pattern, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So if you're interested in exploring, I would suggest it. But do I think it's a good value for your money? Not necessarily. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye now.